What's up everybody, hoping guys you're doing very well. It's a very fine Saturday afternoon guys, and let me tell you, today I'll be taking my daughter to the hospital, of course, to have her teeth fixed, and I'm here with them. Camera. Hi. So guys, this is the girl that we are taking to the hospital. Yeah, you see guys, so yesterday we had gone to the hospital, and of course one of her teeth was removed because actually, okay, to cut the story short, we started the procedure, and like I said, I wanted to do this as a surprise for her, but because of the emergency that was there yesterday, I decided, okay, let me just do it, because even time, mostly I don't have enough time to do all these things because I'm at work, but I've decided to do it as a surprise to her sister. There is one of her sister who has always been pushing me to do this, and so we want to make it as a surprise to her, because she doesn't know what is happening. We started the procedure yesterday, and I told her to make sure that she does not know what is happening. No, we have left her at home at the moment. She has felt bad because si kawaida yake anaachwa nyumbani, so she's like, why are you guys leaving me? But it is because I want it to be a surprise for her. So right now we are ending to Baraka Smiles to make sure that she has a smile back. You've seen the way her teeth are, and of course yesterday, like I've said, one of her tooth was removed, and so today we are going to put the braces. So when we come back, we want to see the reaction of her sister, and of course I know she will be happy, of course, because she has always been pushing me to do this. So let's go have the procedure completed and see the reaction of the sisters. So how are you feeling?
I'm happy.
Of course you are not happy. If you are happy, you will be
happy.
When imagine inauma ititolewa. By the way,
but in a bleed, it's bleeding a lot.
It's still bleeding. Okay. So na procedure itafanya aje if it's bleeding? Okay, I don't know how it.
Jana ilikuwa inatoa damu sana.
Ina sahi?
Sahi tu.
See sahi ina bleed. Yeah, so guys, let's go together and see what happens in Baraka. The reason I like this hospital is because you can always negotiate with them, so you don't have to worry yourself. In case you don't have enough money, you can just go tell them, this is the much I have, and of course there is Lipa Pore, which is very favorable to each and every person. It can fit, it can suit each and every person. So please don't stay with your smiles hidden because of your teeth. Please go to Baraka Smiles and you will have your teeth fixed. So let's go and see what Baraka has for us. So here we are guys, we are ending to Baraka Smiles. You can see it's yes, so that's where we are ending to with these beautiful girls. You see them? Hi, how are you? Can I see you? Hi. How are you feeling with your big sister? Wow. So guys, we are here at Baraka Smiles, and the procedure has started already. So you can see the lady, the girl is already set. Unasikia aje? Unaogopa? Lakini sisi uchungu. Hebu nene yako? Nataka yoshwe? But yours are clean. Yes. Your teeth are clean. Auogopi kudungwa shindano? but I want yours to be removed. Sawa? So the girl here anataka kuoshwa meno, but first of all, let us finish with that girl over there so that we can think of something else here in Baraka Smiles. So guys, if you're there, you're struggling with your smiles, please just come over to Baraka Smiles, guys, and you'll get back your smile. And so before fixing the braces, we must clean the teeth, because of course you cannot fix braces in a dirty teeth, and so that is why they are preparing to clean the teeth first. Then after that, of course, they will fix the braces. That is what is happening at the moment. Finally guys, the girl is done. She has the braces already. It's a process that does not take a lot of time. Actually, it takes like an hour or so, and after 1 hour you are done with your braces. Guys, the girl is now smiling, and I'm very, you can see, can you show them, just show them the braces. Come here, show them the braces. Yeah, you can see now guys, she's happy. Are you happy by the way? How are you feeling? Huh? She will get a move. She's excited guys. I'm also happy because at least, even if it is not 100%, I have fulfilled 50% of all what I've always been wanting to do, and now I am at peace. I am at peace, you know, like me, I don't have this, you see, like now I have a gap here, and actually what happened, it is not that Gino iligonjeka or something, no, I removed that Gino because ilikuwa tu kama yake. My mommy did not think of maybe taking me to the doctor, maybe to be rectified. I'm really working hard to ensure that this gap is closed. By the way, nilikuwa nimeshafanyiwa meno, but these temporary ones. And guys, let me tell you, I was not even able to stay with the temporary ones. Niliweka for some few days nikasikia the discomfort was too much, and so I decided to just go away with it and then go for the permanent one. So very soon I'm working on that, and I'm hoping I will be able to do the permanent. I'm being told that I can only do five pieces guys. 5 pieces, which tutaweza, tutajaribu tuone kama tutaweza, but for now I'm happy because my daughter now can now afford a smile. Very soon, within 18 months, she will be able to smile again. So guys, courtesy of Baraka Smiles, if you're there struggling, asking where you can get back your smiles, Baraka got you. You can go and have your teeth rectified by Baraka Smiles. Kwani nakasirika? Oh no, hiyo nakaa kama amekasirika. Why are you so annoyed? Jumeachwa. Si tumetoka tu hapa hospitali. We have a surprise for you. We have a surprise for you. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. 1. Close your eyes. Tiana, where is Joy's surprise? Where is Joy's surprise? Are you ready? No. Are you ready? Don't open. Are you ready for the surprise? Are you ready? Kuja, simama hapa karibu. Songa hapa mbele na usifungue macho. Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Okay. So we have a very big surprise. You've always been wanting this thing, and today we've decided yes, and today we've decided to surprise you. So in a count of 3 you open your eyes, right? Sijahesabu. Ana sijahesabu, sifungue macho. Haya, 1 2 So how is it? Are you happy for your sister? So you've always been pushing me, Mom, make sure get the braces. How do you feel now? So how do you feel?
It's normal. It's normal. Yes.
So it's not a surprise? You're not surprised? Yani, kwani hujasikia surprised? Mbona umesema you have braces? So how is it? How does she look? It's just decided to go to do the emergency one. So how do you feel about it? Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
And as part of surprise, as part of reaction, we want to see the reaction of my very good friend. By the way, he has also been pushing me to do this. Yes, please, Mama Candy, please do this. And today, guys, we got it. I want to see her reaction. So, guys, wait and see. Close your eyes.
Like what?
You're gonna close your eyes. Close your eyes. I want you to close your eyes. Kendi alafu na utaniletea hiyo kitu, sawa? Close your eyes. I want to trust you. No. No. Are you closing your eyes? Please, can I trust you?
Your eyes closed.
Can I trust you? Aya, put that.
Yes,
okay.
yes. Can you bring the surprise for this lady? Yeah? No.
Can you bring that thing? So guys, listen here. I want to see the reaction of this amazing girl here. She's always been here. She has always been pushing me. Please do this, do that. So please, I want to see her reaction. This amazing gift for her. So yes, Kedi alikuwa amekwambia. Nataka kukwambia saa hii. So please close your eyes. Kendi? Nipatie ile kitu. Piga magoti. Yes. Let us see. Aya. I want you in the count of 3. You open your eyes. 1, 2, 1. Wait. In the count of 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes.
Open your eyes. I'm like,
So you know. So guys, that's the second reaction for this amazing girl. nilikuwa namwambia
She has an history of diarrhea and vomiting.
And by the way, vile wewe unakuanga msensitive. I'm like, ndio Jikaro aoni hizi. Huyu, I'm telling you, she will tell you even the panty that you are wearing. This. Hey, I'm just surprised.
I think nilikuwa nakula, that's why siku concentrate. Otherwise,
nilikuwa na shangaa. So guys, allow me to wrap up this video at this point. At least I'm happy I've fulfilled one of the things that I've always been wanting to do. And from me, guys, as usual, I'm gonna say goodbye. Could you say goodbye? Say goodbye. Come this other side.